So I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs scale multi-seven-figure businesses. And for the first time ever, I'm giving the ability to give you direct, done with you help on two particular sides of the business. The first side is the marketing funnels, the sequences, the launches, all of that stuff. If you're an entrepreneur and you want to take what you currently have and evolve it and bring it to the next best version so that it works better, that it more resonance, it utilizes the methodologies of the ROI method, the three-lane method, and the levels of consciousness that have built so many businesses before you, that is now an option. Secondarily, all of our work with scaling agents, we're now giving the ability that doesn't matter if it's marketing, operations, sales, delivery, finance. We will take a look at your business. We will recommend what scaling agents actually make sense for your business. We will customize our scaling agents and our AI agents that are specifically built upon our methodologies, frameworks, and logic boards, customize it, and install it inside of your business. So two of these things never been available up until now. And the largest part, the largest reason why I can do this is artificial intelligence. So in the past, when somebody came to me, the largest thing that stopped them from being able to actually implement was the implementation. I can take a look at your business and I can tell you the strategy and tell you what makes sense and how to go from here to here. The largest part is being able to actually implement the system. So let's take a funnel, for example. When somebody came to me, I could tell them the type of funnel and the structure and the strategy, and I could mentor them, but they still had to do the work. Now, the difference of it is today versus in the past is that the amount of time that it takes to actually build something, because of the way that we've built with artificial intelligence, our frameworks, our methodologies, all of our logic boards, all of the systems to be able to build whatever it is that's needed inside of your business now takes about 1/50th of the time that it used to take. And so it's changed the dynamic for me. And it changed the dynamic for me because if I'm looking at you, and the main reason that you're coming to me to help you scale your business is strategy and execution and the implementation, and not the mindset, energetics, level of consciousness, mindset, that more esoteric side of entrepreneurship. It's really hard for me to look you in the eyes and say that, well, it's best for me to be able to help you along the way instead of me just simply getting you to the finish line and then being able to help you from there. So that is what this looks like. And it's really simple, really easy. All you have to do, fill out the form below, and you're going to say, hey, I need help with the marketing funnels and all those different types of things. Or I want help holistically in the entire business. Come back to you, we'll work and see what makes the most sense. And then it literally has reduced the amount of time of being able to build a marketing funnel, building whatever systems that are needed to be able to scale your specific business. Like I said, about 1/50th of what it was in the past. So the other details are below. This is insane. Truly, 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 truly insane. And for anybody scaling a multi-seven-figure online business, this is an absolute game changer. The marriage between artificial intelligence and the wisdom and experience that is truly scaled some of the top personal brand websites, course creators, experts, anybody that sells online. All right. I'll see you when I see you.